After designing and 3D printing several planters, I wanted to explore lampshade designs that look complex but is simple to model. Hey there, I'm Tim Ung, and today I'll show you my process of designing and 3D printing a lampshade inspired by Cinderella's dress. To design this project, I used a software called Rhinoceros and started off by drawing a large circle and using the radial array feature to copy a smaller circle around its perimeter. I trimmed all the overlapping lines and joined them into one shape. Using the fillet corner tool, I rounded all the sharp edges. With the extrude feature, I pulled the shape into a 3D model that was 7 inches tall. Next, I used the taper shape feature to pull the top of the model inwards so it would be smaller than the base. To add a dynamic aesthetic to the model, I twisted it at various angles from 360, 270, 180, and 90 degrees. After a quick poll on Instagram, I went with the popular result, which was the 90-degree twist. Lastly, I added a thicker top with a cutout for the pendant light to insert and lock it into place. I imported the model into Prusa slicing software, set up my time-lapse feature, used the speed setting, and the print times came out to roughly 12 hours. I plugged the SD card into my Prusa 3D printer and started the printing process. Once the print was complete, I removed the lampshade from the printer, brought over the pendant light kit, and installed it with an LED light. I hung it over my Christmas tree lamp behind my workstation so it could be part of my collection of personally designed objects. With that, the 3D printed lampshade that was inspired by Cinderella's dress is complete. If you enjoyed this video, share it with a friend. I'll see you again next week.